Mr. Cook is finalizing the plea sheet, and I've already.
He's going to do it today?
He's ready to do it today, Judge. She wants to.
Did he sign the advice of rights?
He did, Judge.
Today's docket moves fast, but every quick decision carries real consequences. From traffic admissions to missing defendants, this Michigan courtroom is about to reveal how small cases can suddenly turn serious. Watch closely as the judge balances patience and pressure. Subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns and real legal insight.
Sir, unmute and state your name, please.
David Stevenson White.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I think he was pleading to impeding traffic.
And that's correct, Your Honor. The offer was extended to add kind of impeding traffic. Upon accepting that, we will move to dismiss count one.
Mr. Stevenson White, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on March 1st, 2025, Washington Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you impeded traffic?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
Like the next 2 weeks. I get paid bi-weekly on Wednesdays.
How am I supposed to keep track of that? Pay it by March 31st.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Court calls the case. People versus Tanea Thomas.
Your Honor, let's see that.
Ready, Judge Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Tanea Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Tanea Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. According to our notes, this was supposed to be a HIDA plea. I am not showing that anyone connected with Ms. Thomas to review the plea sheet with her, though. So I think we adjourned it so that Ms. Thomas.
April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Get to her, explain everything, and then we'll get it done. All right?
Thomas, make sure you reach out to our office this afternoon, please.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Thomas. Court calls the case. People versus Tito's. Why ho you knew. That's the best I could do.
He was on the call. Well, there he is. I'm here.
Where is he?
Right there in the green.
All right. Yeah, last time I messed up his name too. So what's your name, sir?
Itos Waihohonu.
Well, I was close.
You're
I just
getting there.
I can't get the rhythm of that. I was close though.
Ron
Better than
Brown.
last time. Go ahead.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Wanan Hanhu. I'm requesting adjournment. Want to explore some other courts and options.
Okay. I do have an amended complaint.
I'm not objecting. It's filed in the right court. I did do a little homework. Because isn't it Crane and Merritt?
That's Pittsfield.
That's Pittsfield. Yeah, I had to do.
But what was?
So on the original complaint, the charging language indicated the BAC of greater than 0.17 grams per 100 milliliters of blood. That was incorrect. I amended to indicate 0.08 because I believe the BAC is a 0.11, which was not about point.
Not. Okay, gotcha. So.
No objection.
So to that charge, he still maintains a guilty plea too.
Not guilty.
Well, he's not guilty plea. I just want to make sure we've got it all. I gotcha. So we can maintain the charge. Okay, got it. So the amended complaint is filed. That's fine. I don't think I need a new plea to that charge, quite frankly. All right. And then you need an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Adjourn this to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank
On
you.
continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Court does call the case. People versus Kayla Walden.
Your Honor,
Ready, Judge Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Kayla Walden. If she is here, please unmute.
She is. Ms. Walden?
Kayla Walden. I'm trying to.
All right, I'll need it.
I
I need a camera. Oh, there you go.
got it.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. It looks like Ms. Walden had done some work at Dawn Farms, and that information needs to be sent over to Mr. Cook for his. I'd ask for an
Hey,
adjournment
Bubba.
so he can receive and review that information.
I'd indicated at the last hearing that was gonna be the last adjournment.
Okay, we'll set it then, Judge. I'll still get it to him in the interim to try and.
Pardon?
We can set it for jury trial in the interim. I'll give him that information, Your Honor.
Jury final settlement conference will be set April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Case people versus, is it Jalen Washington?
People,
Ready, Judge. Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Washington. Please state your name for the record.
Jalen Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I did reach out to Mr. Washington. The phone number we had was incorrect. I do have a good number for him now. We have a brief adjournment so he and I can speak.
It's neat. You guys have the same hair.
Oh, I
I don't know. I was just sitting here in face. I was just.
I am not that fortunate.
No,
I just,
no, he walked up. I'm like, I was like kind of envious, and I said, I could be Torchio. Be real envious.
I just did a little bit.
I'm sorry. What'd you ask me to do?
Just a brief adjournment, please, Judge.
Will the 18th be enough time for us?
Should be fine, Judge.
All right. Turn it March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue with the conditions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. No brainer.
Oh, you know what? He nods his head. He's going to hit Torchio with that top. Court calls the case, People versus Daniel Worth.
morning, Your Honor. With people,
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Worth.
Yes. Oh, there he is.
Hello,
State your
can
name,
you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, we can
Daniel
hear
Worth.
you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. We referred him to our AIM division.
Oh, okay, so.
For a work.
Okay. April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Your Honor, may we approach briefly on this matter?
Yes. Hang on a second. Stay on, Mr. Worth. Record should reflect they had a brief bench conference. Mr. Worth, we set you for April
Your Honor.
1st, 2026, 9 a.m., all right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Chianti, right?
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Right.
Right.
Ready, Judge. Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of, but I do not believe with. Okay,
Lorenzo.
beautiful. Thank you, Judge.
Chianti, right?
Yes.
Okay, I need a camera. Okay, there's your. Okay, state your name.
Can't say right.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you. Not much, Judge. There's no phone number in our file. So we need Ms.
Oh,
Wright
you don't have, okay.
call our office so we can have a conversation about the file.
All right, Ms. Wright,
Yes.
I'm going to adjourn the matter to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Okay, what I need you to do though is call the public defender's office.
Okay.
Okay, do you have their number?
Yes.
Okay, call them, make sure they have a good phone number and email for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Hold on.
Set for an arraignment before Your Honor on March 18th on a retail broad second. Should the parties seek to adjourn that hearing in order to keep it tracked, or is there any way that we could move this case to the 18th instead?
So she has another case on the 18th?
That's correct.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. If you're going to get a new case, I'm going to put this for the 18th instead of the 1st. Okay.
Okay.
And that way both cases will be together. Thank you, Mr. Cook. March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. That, of course it is. So that arraignment with the magistrate, move the file to me. All right,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Carla Bristow.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
This is an arraignment, no counsel.
Carla Bristow. She's in the Jackson County Jail.
Here's a moment many viewers miss. When a defendant fails to appear, the judge doesn't debate long. He issues a bench warrant. That instantly turns a simple court date into a new legal problem and a $5,000 bond risk. Do you think missing court helps a case? Let me know below.
So I think she would need a writ. So I won't issue an order to show cause. I'll just, says here, this letter came, say at the end of January. She was sentenced to 365 days, so she's still there. So I'll adjourn this out to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Yes.
Yes, it says Jackson County. She says Jackson County. Court calls case, People versus Devon Gibson.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Show cause, counsel.
Devon Gibson. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $5,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls the case of the People versus Aaron Lawson.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
This is a pre-trial, no counsel.
No counsel. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
What's your name?
Aaron Lawson.
All right. You are before the court on a driving while license suspended charge back from 2006 when I was 4. All right. So you're not represented by counsel. Do you want to be represented by counsel?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's a fair answer. Let me ask you this. Do you have a license now?
No,
No? Okay. Why don't we?
I had some tickets that needed to be paid still, so I got them taken care of and paid.
Got it. So you're, okay.
This was my last one.
Got it. Okay. So what I will do is this becomes a public defender case.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Lawson.
Then what I will do is I'll adjourn this out. So you're, where you are now, you got, this was sort of your last stop. And then you got to get to Secretary of State and try to get that. Okay. So what I'll do is, let's see where it gets to. I'll adjourn this to April 1st, 2026 at 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. And then let's see where you get to and figure out how to get you to the right spot here. Okay.
Okay.
You have his driving record? Wow.
I'm sure well, maybe not. I don't. What do you say? I don't have it.
You know what you got to do between now and then?
Yeah.
Okay, he knows what he's got to do.
Figured you did.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So if you stop at the counter, you can remind in writing of the court.
Court calls case, People versus Sean McGraw.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Judge, court show please. Not point yet.
What?
Pre-trial.
We're not getting a point.
Oh, hi.
How's it going?
Good. Take your hands out of your pocket. What's your name?
I just caught it. Sean McGraw.
All right. He already has been arraigned on this in a retail fraud second. I don't know what happened. Oh, in 2021. Where you been?
Moving around a lot.
Yeah.
I got Airbnbs like all over. So yeah, I lost track of time. No excuse.
Whoa. Where'd you come from? How long's he been there?
about 20 minutes.
No, that's not true. There's a short little fellow before. Hey, well, welcome back. So let's see, this is Wednesday. We're halfway through Wednesday, right? So that's a half day, then that. So it's 2.5 days, and I subtract out the time you weren't here. And that's 1.5. So you worked a whole one day. It was good to have you back. Anyway, all right. So do you want to be represented by the public defender?
Yes.
All right. It's a public defender case.
Yes, I got written judge, portion of case to assistant public defender, on behalf of Mr. McGraw, I believe. Yes, Judge, I have spoken to Mr. Well, you already arraigned him, he's all set, right?
He had already been arraigned back in 2021.
Then I have spoken to Mr. McGraw. We do not yet have discovery, but he is ready to resolve this matter. Mr. Cook is finalizing the plea sheet, and I've already.
You gonna do it today?
He's ready to do it today, Judge. He wants.
Did he sign the advice of rights?
He did, Judge.
Okay.
Going to be pleading as charged, Judge, with the recommendation for no upfront jail.
That's correct, Mr. Cook.
There is also an agreement to $768.41 restitution, and the people agreed not to amend the complaint to a felony.
That correct?
That's all correct, Judge.
May I have him sworn while they finish all that?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes. State your name, please. Sean McGraw.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud in the second degree.
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration of $2,000 fine. Court costs. Fine could be increased at 3 times the value of the property taken. If that is greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any questions regarding those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of the trial. Understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights in that form. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you're guilty?
Yes.
Between the dates of February 1st, 2021 and April 7th, 2021, location of 7,000 East Michigan Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, the Walmart. What'd you do that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took items that I did not pay for.
And tried to walk out of the store
Yes.
with them, or did walk out of the store? When you did this, the store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And as you've indicated, it's property that was offered for sale by them. Is that correct?
Correct.
And was the aggregate or total value of the property that you took greater than $200?
You believe so?
Yes.
Sir, I do have to advise you, if I accept your plea between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
On the record, Your Honor.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Believe you have, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge.
This hearing suddenly gets real when Sean McGraw admits taking merchandise from Walmart. The judge carefully walks through every right, making sure the guilty plea is voluntary and informed. That step matters legally because it protects the record from appeals. But one question remains: will he actually return for sentencing today?
Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. Can I trust you to come back?
Here, I thought it was.
Huh?
We're gonna do a Zoom request, but yes, Judge.
You're gonna do a Zoom request?
Yes, I live all the way downtown Detroit.
All the way downtown Detroit.
I mean, I know it's not Ohio or
You
nothing
know
like
what?
that, but look.
All the way downtown.
That'd be a lot.
He said all the way downtown Detroit. We've been waiting for him since
About
2021.
17 years, I know,
And
but I'm saying.
You wanna know? He could have walked by now 4 or 5 times, right? And rested. But now he don't want to come back. He made it hard on us. Now he wants me to make it easy on him.
It's nothing personal, Judge.
What?
It's nothing personal. He just doesn't want to make that 40-minute commute if you can avoid
40 minutes.
It was an hour.
an hour.
It was an hour. So that was an hour.
It was an hour?
Yes.
You want us to come pick you up?
No, Judge.
No? Okay.
I got it.
I got people.
I know you do. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
No, thank you.
All right. Well, we'll see you then.
Thank you, Judge.
Do me a favor. On your way out, if you doesn't get lost, stop down to my probation department. They're on the left-hand side down the hallway. So we can get this process started.
All right. Thank you so much.
All
If
right.
you don't get down there and do that, or show,
People
I'm
gonna
sending
come get me.
people, I'm sending people to come get you.
I know.
All right, you know that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right, you take care. You want to come all that way? I thought he was like, I live in Wyoming. Downtown Detroit. Court calls the case. People versus Antonio Smith.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook with People.
This is the Lorraine for no counsel.
Your name, sir?
Antonio Smith.
All right, Mr. Smith, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about June 27, 2024, Carpenter Road in Ellsworth in Pittsfield Township, that you did operate a motor vehicle without security or insurance. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by not more than 1 year incarceration and not less than $200 nor more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
First question I have for you, sir, is do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Your Honor,
No.
if I can jump in.
No.
I intended on moving to dismiss. I received proof of insurance.
So they waited for me to get all the way through. They waited for me to get all the way through that whole array. And then somebody was gonna speak up.
You're just so good at it.
Yeah,
They wanted to hear it.
could have saved my breath. So you're moving to dismiss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, do you have any objection?
No.
Yeah, good answer. I'll indicate, since I did arraign him, that he's standing mute to the charges as charged, enter a not guilty plea, and then the people move to dismiss. All in one quick, swift motion. All right. Man, you're all set. Take care of yourself. And he did that without an attorney.
This is your last case notice for the clerks, not for you.
Oh, court does call the case, People versus Nevaeh Smith.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook with People.
Good Judge, commercial assistant public defender on behalf of Ms. Nevaeh Smith. Nivea.
Nivea.
Apologies.
No, it's like the cream.
Yes.
How do I even know that?
You know?
I know. I said, when I called the name, I was thinking like the blue container with the white writing. I got it. Nobody else knows what I'm talking about. You know, Ron?
Can't be asked, Judge.
Okay. Did she say her name other than us?
It's just Smith. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. Has she been arraigned?
She is.
She
Okay, all right. Thank you. Torres Officer, Assistant Public Defender on her behalf, Your Honor. I believe this is the case that she wanted to move towards trial, if I'm not mistaken.
She does.
Judge.
All right. Jury final settlement conference will be set for April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. All right, thank you, Bond. We'll continue. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll call you.
What? What? What are you gonna do? That's my last file for this block. What?
There's a gentleman who's in custody in the 12 o'clock block in California. Would it be possible that I go in a breakout room, just talk to him for 2 minutes while you take a break? His name is Alejandro Cervantes, I believe.
Do I have him?
He will dial in from the Bureau of Prisons. He is not present.
So when he hops in, can I take a minute and talk to him?
Does Ann, you have any problem with doing that?
Told me
'Cause it
that.
causes, she what?
He told me to ask you.
Then no,
Okay.
no. If it doesn't cause too much problem for Ann, we will do that for you. Mr.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Or can I take my break now?
We got some goodies in our office.
What are they? Cause see, if I go over there and they're not,
I think we have some mints and we may have some goldfish. Or some.
those are, you know what? I'm done. I'm done talking to you. I am done talking to you. I do not need mints. I do not need goldfish. Court's gonna stand in recess.
By the end of the session, we've seen everything. Dismissed charges, adjournments, a bench warrant, and a guilty plea that could bring jail time or restitution. It's a reminder that even routine hearings shape real lives. If you enjoy courtroom analysis like this, like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe.